News just coming in. BJP President JP Nadda tweets an old video of Rahul Gandhi where he's seen advocating rights of farmers to sell farm produce directly to corporates. The BJP video shows Rahul making the statement on floor of Lok Sabha. Nadda claimed that Rahul is opposing the same sets of reforms that he once advocated. The BJP chief has said that Rahul is motivated by partisan politics, does not have interests of farmers in mind. If you've got that video, let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi said.
कुछ साल पहले यूपी में मेरा दौरा था और एक किसान ने मुझसे सवाल पूछा, मेरे पास आया और उसने कहा, राहुल जी आप एक बात हमें समझाइए, हम आलू बेचते हैं 2 रुपए किलो, मगर जब हमारे बच्चे चिप्स खरीदते हैं तो 10 रुपए का पैकेट आता है, उसमें 1 आलू होता है। और किसान ने मुझसे पूछा, आप हमें बताइए ये क्या जादू हो रहा है। और मैंने उन किसानों से पूछा, आपको क्या लगता है, इसका कारण क्या है। और उन्होंने कहा कि राहुल जी इसका कारण यह है कि जो फैक्ट्रियां बनती हैं वो हमारे से दूर होती हैं। अगर हम डायरेक्टली अपना माल फैक्ट्री में बेच पाते तो जो बीच में से लोग पैसा ले जाते हैं बिचौले, उनको फायदा नहीं होगा और पूरा पैसा हमें मिलेगा। ये फूड पार्क के पीछे सोच थी। और ये एक प्रकार से अमेठी और उत्तर प्रदेश के जो 10-12 जिले हैं उनके मजदूरों की और किसानों की लड़ाई।
And here is what Rahul said when he went to meet President on 24 December against the farm laws.
मैंने कोरोना के बारे में बोला था कि नुकसान होने जा रहा है। उस समय किसी ने नहीं बात सुनी और आज मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं, किसान के सामने, मजदूर के सामने कोई भी शक्ति नहीं खड़ी हो सकती है। अगर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कानून वापस नहीं लिए, सिर्फ बीजेपी को नहीं, सिर्फ आरएसएस को नहीं, देश को नुकसान होने जा रहा है।
Poulomi Saha now joins us with the latest on this. Poulomi, this is going to create a controversy going forward as well, because you can see the statements made by Rahul Gandhi supporting the farm laws and supporting corporatization of the farm laws as well. But when he went to oppose the same farm laws with the president, there was an absolute contradiction in what he had said earlier.
Well, what the BJP has been trying to point out is that the Congress and other opposition parties who earlier, in fact, supported these very farm laws, in fact, touted about them in their own election manifestos, now are taking a position because they spot a political opportunity in it against the farm laws. Now, what the BJP has done and what the president of the party has done has tweeted out an old video of Rahul Gandhi from Parliament when he was serving as Member of Parliament from Amethi between 2014 to 2019. At that time, he in fact spoke in Parliament and said that farmers in Amethi wanted the food park simply because they wanted the opportunity to be able to sell their produce directly to private companies. Now, this is something which the farmers are opposing and the opposition is opposing as well. And Rahul Gandhi has spoken about it as well, saying that this in a way is, going to sort of keep the farmers beholden to private.
Just that connection right there to Poulomi. I'm requesting the producers to do so. Her voice is getting cut in between, but Poulomi will be joining us soon again with the very latest on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.